everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for users of specific Elmo document cameras and Mach Speed Trio Stealth tablets, the Best CH5V AC adapter. This isn't just a generic power supply. It's a purpose-built solution designed to keep your valuable devices powered safely and efficiently. A standout feature of this adapter is its impressive worldwide input voltage range of 100-240 VAC at 5060 Hz. This global compatibility means you can use it almost anywhere, making it incredibly convenient for international travel or simply ensuring your device is always ready, no matter your location. No need for extra voltage converters, which is a huge plus for educators or professionals on the go with their Elmo camera, or anyone relying on their Mach Speed tablet. Safety is paramount when it comes to electronics, and the Best CH adapter excels here with its comprehensive protection features: OVP, OCP, and SCP. These stand for overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit output protection, respectively. Essentially, these safeguards work tirelessly to prevent excessive voltage or current from reaching your device and to immediately cut power in the event of a short circuit. This robust protection ensures your expensive equipment is shielded from common electrical hazards, providing significant peace of mind. The manufacturer also highlights that these are tested units and are in great working condition, offering an extra layer of confidence in their reliability and immediate functionality. It's always good to know a product has been verified before it reaches the consumer. Crucially, this Best CH5V AC adapter is precisely engineered for a specific list of devices. This includes popular models like the Elmo MO-1, M01, MO-1WH, MO-1B, and various 1337 series document cameras, as well as Mach Speed Trio Stealth 9 MST921 and Stealth 10G2 tablets. It's absolutely vital for potential buyers to carefully check their specific model number against the provided list before purchasing. The seller clearly states they cannot be responsible for incorrect purchases, so a quick verification step will prevent any inconvenience. The adapter delivers a consistent 5 volts output, which is the exact requirement for these compatible devices to operate optimally. In conclusion, for anyone needing a dependable, safe, and globally adaptable 5V AC adapter for their Elmo document camera or Mach Speed Trio Stealth tablet, this Best CH offering presents itself as a top-tier choice. Its advanced safety mechanisms and broad input voltage capability make it an excellent investment for both daily use and travel, ensuring your devices remain powered and protected.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.